Hello everyone, welcome to session 4 of the guided meditation course for beginners. Take a moment to settle into a position of your choice. Close your eyes and relax as much as possible. Take a few deep breaths and pay attention to the breathing sensation. Now, start breathing naturally with your focus on it. If you like, you can feel your resting body and mind as part of the space while focusing on breathing. Feel the gravity, the heat or cold from the environment, or the weight of your body. With your focus on breathing, notice any other feelings or sensation in your body. Observe those feelings and focus back on breathing. Now, move your focus to your environment and try to listen to any sounds you can hear around you. It could be the traffic noise, birds chirping, other people talking, or simply my voice. Listen to each sound as closely as possible the moment you notice them. Become aware that you are not making those sounds and you cannot keep them out of your consciousness. You cannot even hear them when they are gone. Keep your focus on listening to those sounds as they come and go. As soon you hear a sound arise in your environment, you become conscious of it for the moment, and your consciousness moves to the next sound as soon as the previous one disappears. No matter how far or close the source is, you can hear it in your head with the same consciousness that hearing my voice and other feelings of your body. Stay with it. If I found you lost in your thoughts, notice those thoughts are taking place in the same consciousness. The moment you notice you are lost in thoughts, does it disappear like a sound? Or can you think of it more than the moment it arises? Can you stay focused till the next sound of my voice? Before we end this session, bring your focus back to your breath for a moment or two. Try your best to be fully conscious of it. Now take a deep breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. The goal of today's session is to introduce you to the sound of your environment. Thus, you can find that there is no distracting environment while you meditate. You don't need silence or sound or music to stay focused. You can be in an airport or train station and use those chaotic environmental sound as an anchor for your consciousness. The more you focus on your environment, the deeper your mindful experience will be. And by the environments, I mean all the possible places you can be in this universe. That is the way of being mindful. Once you master it, it will be your best friend in any circumstance. And that is all for today. Keep spreading love and please subscribe if you like today's session. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Be happy and enjoy life. Thank you.